Yes, there's a softening in the market nationally, but here in our Bay Area real estate market, open houses are still really, really busy. And the luxury market, that $3 million to $10 million range, those buyers are not, they don't care about the interest rates. They're not concerned about the interest rates. Most of them are all cash, right? And so that is something that the media is not talking about. They're not talking about what's really happening. Burlingame property was a perfect example. 11 offers, right? And went well over what the market value should have been, right? 3 of the top offers were all cash, right? So we're still seeing a lot of all cash offers. We closed with a buyer in San Carlos not too long ago, competed with another buyer who was all cash, 4 offers within 1 weekend, and we were able to win it. But I mean, that was close to a $3 million price point. So these higher price points are not seeing the softening of the market, whereas your lower entry level price points, condos, townhouses, even single family homes in some price points, they really are seeing more of a 3 to 4 week time period on the market. So, just being on the market is a little bit longer, as well as the softening that's coming with the interest rates going up.